The mean of the number 4, 6, 9, 12, x, and 15 is 10. Find x. To find x and the mean of all these numbers given. Now, to find x, we need to put the formula for mean. We say mean is equal to summation x over n. Summation of all the listed number over n. Now they gave us the mean. The mean of the number of all this number is 10. It means that this mean is 10. So under the mean, you write 10. Then equal to summation of the listed number. What do you have there? You have your 4 plus your 6 plus your 9 plus 12 plus x plus 15 all over. The n here means the total of all. How many are they? You count. You have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over 6. So what should you do now? Here you have your 10 over 1 equal to, we add all these here. Your 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 will give us 46. So you have 46 plus x. Remember, we added the number, we did not add both the variable there. So we add the variable, we said 46 plus x. Then all over, you have your 6 here. Now what should we do? We need to cross multiply. Because whenever you have two fractions, and you have equality sign in between, you cross multiply. So this multiply by this 46 plus x times now will give us 46 plus x. All over 10 times 6 is 60. So what should I do now? The next thing is to collect like terms. In collection of like terms, it will be x equal to 60 minus 46. See now? So give us your x. Your 60 minus 46 here will give us 14 as the answer. So this is 14. So our x now is 14. This is how to check if your answers are correct. Since you have your x here 14, you can substitute here 14. So when you add everything plus this 14, yeah, it gives us 60. 60 divided by 6 will give us 10 as the answer. That's how to check if the answer is correct. You substitute your x you have here as 14. When you add all, give us 60. 60 divided by 6 give us 10. So our x is 14. Thank you.